At DigitalEasy.cloud, our mission is to make online success easy for small business owners, regardless of technical ability. This video shows as we go from sign up to a complete website in 4 minutes for a small plumbing business using the DigitalEasy AI website builder. And there you go. In less than 4 minutes, a professional, beautiful website is live on the internet, unique to your business. From here, DigitalEasy makes it simple to swap in your company logo, update images and text, and further customize the website to your vision. Feel free to use our AI image generator to create unique images for your website, or create your business logo, also included with the DigitalEasy website builder. When you log out of the builder, you can see your new website as your customers will see it. Beautiful and secure. How's that for easy? Visit DigitalEasy.cloud to learn more about how we make digital easy for you and get started today.